Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. It was founded in 1949 by Adolf Adidas in Germany. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Adidas, 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 Adidas. Adidas is renowned for its iconic pieces and collections, such as the classic Stan Smith sneakers, which have become a staple in casual fashion. The brand also offers a wide range of products including sportswear, streetwear, and performance gear designed for athletes. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Adidas, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.